Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make music really fast. You need a DAW, D-A-W, in this case Cubase artist. You can use whatever you want, a lot of brands, a lot of companies, and it's a digital audio workstation. This is like the host, the brain, and this is where you're going to do everything. So file, new project. Will show up something like this. You just create a blank one, and you go to devices, device setup. Here you are going to choose your VST audio system driver. In this case, you'll see it right here. Or in other programs, it might be a different name, but it's always like the VST audio system or the VST driver. Okay, the best one, in my opinion, is ASIO for all. It works on old computers, new computers. It makes it all work fast with low latency. So latency is when you press a key and you only hear it like half a second later. That's terrible. If you, especially if you're playing live, that's inconceivable. So you press OK, the driver is fine. In this case, I won't touch it. And you go to VST instruments. Now you can find them on Google, on YouTube. Some are, lots of them are free. Some are paid, like the top brand ones that have tons of presets. So I'd advise you, it's like instruments. See, like a keyboard only has a certain amount of samples of instruments. In this case, you can have like infinite, absolutely. So first things first, you choose. God damn it, this isn't what I wanted, but yeah, fine, okay, a synth harp. This is really cool. So choose adjective drums. It's what I start with. Okay, it asks if you want to create the MIDI track. You can minimize this if you want and just keep the main stuff. Now you go to F11 again. It's hidden here, and you choose a guitar. Ample Metal Eclipse is my favorite by far. I've never heard anything like it. Now what you're gonna do is go to Addictive Drums and you press this little keys right here to open the main view of the VST. So you go to beats. These are pre-made beats which you can use, or you can just at least see what it is sounding like. Yeah, this is pretty great. Yeah, even better. So I like this, so I press it and drag it to where I want to play it. Now, this is repeat, and this is the section you drag and choose the part you want to repeat. I'm gonna shrink this because I only want to make this little piece. So, yeah. Now on the kit, you can choose the drums you want. See how it sounds different? God damn. Now you got real machines, which is like really electronic. It's brutal, man. But I'm gonna choose metal. And in metal, I'm going to choose, or try to find, Hand of God, which I believe is from the band Behemoth. At least this is the name of their track. It really sounds like them. I love the drums. Then you can go to kit. You can move with the volumes of the drums. Give it some kick. Yeah, you got your drums. Now in my case, I'm using this little guy right here, just 2 octaves, super light. You can put this anywhere. You can take it with you and play on a laptop. This is as wide as a laptop, and the power is drawn by USB, so you can play anywhere. It has an arpeggiator, which is great for me. Not for everybody. I don't have to use software to arpeggiate. You got the octaves, you got programs, you got stuff like that. It's a really great machine. It was like $40 or something like that. Um, so if I press the arpeggiator, the guitar is going to sound like this. See, the guy is strumming the guitar. If not, it'll be like loose notes. This is without the arpeggiator. So let's do some hard metal. You record and starts overposing, if that's even words, so that's not good. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna play. Now, if you don't have a MIDI keyboard, that's okay. You can use like the mouse. You can let's just drag this along here, and in this little pencil here, the pencil is very important. Draw. You're going to draw the side of the pattern you want, and you press the arrow and you click it twice. Now you're here. If you play on if you press on the keys. You see where you're. See? So now you're going to draw where dude, I don't even know if you press Alt and if you press the arrow and Alt, he is going to show up this. This means to copy. So you drag this here, you press the Alt key, and you copy it. It really saves a lot of time. I don't know why this is so small. Yeah, I do, because it's this little part here, it's too small. So you just drag it. You guide yourself with the ruler over here. You delete this, and okay, you copy it. So what we got so far is, well, this tremendously sucks. But we're just improvising, so you see that you can just use a mouse. Okay. This is just abstract BS. Doesn't matter what you're going to hear. Don't be so you can use a mouse. It's really much more difficult, but sure. Now I think this guitar is a bit too loud, so I'm going to so these are just notes. You can just take this and put in any other instrument and it'll still play. Like, I'm just going to take these drums. They are just drums because they are in the drum track. If I just copy it to the above parts and put it solo, now it's not drums. See? Now it's something else. If I drag it to the guitar and put it in solo, see, now it's a guitar. That's the beauty of MIDI. You can like assign whatever you want to it. So, if you press this little keys right here to edit, it'll open the VST in question, in this case ARP, and you'll choose the preset. This one is destructive. Now just a little bit louder. Let's see how it's going. you got the little piece of song you want. If you save the project, it will save as CPR, which is the project that you can change. You can change any note on this, any instrument, whatever you want. You can change it. But if you export it to, if you want to show your friends or etc., because this project CPR, the project from this won't work in other computers unless they also have the same VSTs as you. If you just want to show your friends or something, or publish it in like YouTube or something, you gotta put audio mix down. You choose the path, you choose the file format, MP3 or WAV, whatever you want, and the bitrate, the bitrate, and you export it. Okay, take just a little second. And it's ready to go, man. Don't even have to. That's it. That's how you start. If you got any questions, shit, these bugs are beautiful. I got a lot of them. But this won't happen to you. Don't worry. It's just my Cubase version is a bit dumb. So that's it, guys. You can choose whatever instrument you want, do whatever you want. Like like I mentioned this, if you wanna if you go to those karaoke sites where you can download the karaoke music, they usually come in MIDI, mid file, and you can like import it. You import a MIDI file here, like from a cover of a song, and you'll just place it here, and you choose like one of these instruments to play it. Like you'll be having the whole song being played here with other instruments, and you can change that cover that you want to make any way you want. Like you can select, imagine in your MIDI file, this is the drums, but these are the guitars. You can just go here and go to copy, and in this track right here you'll have like the drums or something, and you'll paste it here. You'll create with this little pencil, you're going to draw an empty one, see, and press the arrow, and there you are. You'll paste it here and place it where it's supposed to be. So that's it, guys. If you got any questions, you can just ask me in the comments. I hope this helps newcomers, and any questions you got, just ask me in the comments. I'll be glad to help. So be cool. See you soon.